Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome, future heroes. In this video, I will explain how to play the Avengers business game. Your ultimate goal is to be the last player standing with power and saved locations, protecting the Marvel Universe from villains. Each player selects one of 6 iconic Avenger tokens and receives a matching superpower card. The game unfolds on a unique, circular board, where every space presents a new challenge or opportunity. Get ready to assemble your team and strategize for victory. On your turn, you will roll 2 standard dice and move your Avenger token the indicated number of spaces clockwise around the board. If you land on an unsaved, villain-controlled space, you can pay the power cost shown to save it, placing one of your 12 location markers there. When other players land on your saved locations, they must pay you a power-up, increasing your resources. This is how you expand your influence. Each Avenger possesses a unique superpower, which you can activate once every time you pass the go space. Landing on S, H, I, E, L, D spaces grants you helpful cards, while villain spaces present unexpected challenges. Sometimes, a special hero die is rolled, affecting specific Avengers for good or ill. These cards and powers add exciting twists, requiring you to adapt your strategy and make clever decisions throughout the game. The game reaches its thrilling conclusion once every location on the board has been successfully saved from the villains. At this point, all players tally their total accumulated power, including the value of their saved locations. The Avenger who has gathered the most power is then declared the ultimate victor. Remember, smart resource management and strategic location saving are absolutely crucial to becoming Earth's mightiest hero.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.